So what is up, machas? Welcome to What Move Should I Do? Part 7. The first one's crisscross, a U-step 2-step into a Euro step, I'm guessing.
Then we got Carmelo's signature jab.
The next one we got a behind the back into a spin and then shoots it. And next we have Professor's tornado pull.
This move combines the inside out, the nutmeg and the spin move all in one dribble and then a pullback.
So it needs a very specific situation to do it, but we'll see. I'll do the in and out nutmeg for sure.
It's my brother versus me and my friend. I gave him an option if he wanted 2 people on the team or if he wanted start and he wanted to start. Alright, so let's start with the moves now. Well, at least I did the mellow jab step right. Damn man, he almost stole the ball on that. This is why you don't do a Euro step right after the U-step 2-step, because the defender is standing right there. Man, she's just so scared to shoot it. When I give you the pass and you're open, just shoot it. Don't wait for him to come and then pass it back to me. Yeah, that's the way. At least I'ma do the U-step 2-step properly. This Euro step I've already done in a previous what move. Yes, machas, shoot with confidence. Come on man, you gotta catch the ball. Ideally on the tornado pull I should have spun and got it, but right now she was over there so I just let her get it. Otherwise, I'd be running into her. Alright, let's give this move another try. That was so close. I'm sorry guys, most of the combo moves I did only one part of it right. If it's one move, you can set it up and then do it. But if it's a combo move, it should also depend on how the defender reacts. Like with Professor's tornado pull, he did it instinctively in the moment and he's done it a grand total of 2 times. The mellow jab is one really effective move which I do pretty often anyway. So it wasn't that hard. It's the only move I guess I got absolutely right. This move seems like a really cool move, except I do need to practice it a bit more. It's really tough to focus on the rim after spinning. I would have given this move a few more tries and then probably got it in, but then it became dark. This winter it gets dark really soon, and the resolution is going to be trash even though I increased the brightness, so we just went home.
If you want to see where I have done some of the moves properly, check this out, and make sure you subscribe and turn on all notifications to catch every single video as soon as it comes out. See you here next.